Welcome to Ramada by Wyndham Xi'an Bell Tower. Scan the QR code on your screen now to book your stay at this luxurious and conveniently located hotel in the heart of Xian. This 4-star hotel combines modern comfort with prime accessibility, making it ideal for both business and leisure travelers. With 172 well-appointed rooms, you'll enjoy spacious accommodations designed for relaxation after exploring the city. The hotel's central location places you just steps away from the iconic bell tower, where you can immerse yourself in Xian's rich history and vibrant street life. Check-in begins at 12 p.m., giving you flexibility to start your stay at your own pace. Need a little extra time in the morning? Late checkout is available until 12 p.m., allowing you to relax before departure. Early check-in is also an option if you arrive ahead of schedule. Getting here is effortless. The hotel is just 40 minutes from the airport, ensuring a smooth transition to your urban retreat. Friendly staff are ready to assist with a seamless check-in process, so you can focus on enjoying your trip. Don't forget to scan the QR code now to secure your reservation at Ramada by Wyndham Xi'an Bell Tower.